Hey, Ty, have you ever actually like had a bike, but you want a motorcycle?
Yeah.
Do you know you can turn a bike into a motorcycle?
You have like a motor.
But you don't even
Turn
need
the
a motor.
cycle
All you
into a
need to make a motorcycle out of a bike is your old bike and an old soda can. So we've got our soda can and we've got the bike. All you have to do is use your wheel, crunch down straight down in the middle of the soda can. Make sure you go over it a couple times. That's all you have to do. I guess it's not like basically a motorcycle. I mean, but if you don't have the money for a motorcycle, you can at least get this, right? Run over it again. Like so. Crunch it a couple times. Start making noise. Yeah! And take it out. Like so. You'll have it for next time. Watch this. Oh, hey dude! I saw you at the gym yesterday. You totally failed that backflip. That was so funny. See ya. So, make a motorcycle. Buy a bike. I don't know how much you can find a bike for. And buy a $1 soda from who knows where.
I could really use a soda right now.
So, like, subscribe, send us a soda.